folks. What am I doing? I'm marking lines on a piece of wood because it's fun. No, just kidding. Right now, seeing as it's so damn cold in here, yeah, I could turn the heat on, take like 2 hours. There's a snowstorm coming tomorrow, so I'm not doing any welding. I am drawing lines every inch, and I'm going to use my square in a second. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. I might lop it off with a chop saw, round the edges off a little with the sander. Okay, I got, how long is this board? 22 inches. Well, I got all these things here. Got a 3/16 end in it, and I like to put them in something so I don't have to leave them in this. I can just look at it, put a little label on there, and figure out what the hell it is. So yeah, I'm gonna. That's no good. Where's the other one? I like when you buy something, a little machinist thing, and there we go. Then you can't find it after because it's buried under a pile of junk. Yeah, let's clean this out. Alright, folks, here's a good thing for you. How do you clean the dust off your mini machinist square real quick? Just kidding. Better my glasses on. So yeah, I'm drawing a line here. Is this thing even straight? Jesus. Is it straight? It doesn't look straight. Something wrong with this. Something ain't jiving here. Why is this? It's not even straight, this thing. That's stupid. Hey, look. That's straight. Draw a line here. I don't know any long book. It's crazy because I just realized that this stupid ass thing here is not even square. It's not even the outside square, but the inside right in here is not flat. It's machined down like it's like as if they use a scrap piece of wood. No wood, scrap piece of metal to make it. Good old Chinesium. Yeah, I shouldn't talk like that, but some things made in China are not made very well. I mean, what the hell do you expect, right? It's not made by Sturrit. And all the countries that used to make good stuff, it seems like they don't make anything good anymore. Like Germany and Japan, all these countries, they used to make all the high quality shit. Now we're all like, we'll get it made in Indonesia because it's cheaper. Not because it's better, but it's cheaper. But yeah, back to this. I'm going to draw a line somewhere on here. After I draw these lines, I'm going to draw maybe 2 rows, I think. 1, 2 should be enough. An inch apart. Maybe 3 rows. This way I can adjust how far apart. And then I'm going to drill like probably what's going to end up to be 300 holes in here. I don't know. I probably should just use a pegboard. Some kind of pegboard. Just peg it, actually. Speaking of pegboards. So I'll draw some kind of grid pattern on here. I probably should get a longer ruler to do this. Like, duh. Hello, McFly. So yeah, I'll put maybe a measurement at, let's see, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, and 2 inches. This end, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, and 2 inches. My bench is so cold, my hand is like, feels like it's burning on it. I want to hit pause and start this again because I don't want a 10-minute video. Oh, I'm back again. Well, I asked for a ruler. Guess what? Genghis Khan didn't arrive, so all I got was this. Next time I ask for a ruler, I want Genghis Khan to show up. So yeah, I'm going to draw a line. Draw a line in the coconut, the line in the coconut. A line all the way down here. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I have the slightest idea. I think maybe since I emptied out one of my, what do you call it, drill bit drawers and bought a nice little drill bit box, I'll take out the rest of the crap that's in there and put it in a smaller drawer. Maybe park these in the front. So now that I have a, I don't know if you're watching me here, maybe I'll make this into a 5-part mini-series. Not really. 10-minute video. So anyway, cut to the bull crap. I draw a grid pattern on here, kind of like a guitar. Even though this is not a guitar. Now I'm gonna drill holes in here, on every little spot. Boom, 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 boom. Done. That's, and I'm gonna drill the holes and I'll come back and I'll show you. Hello, folks. Sorry about the wobbly camera, but what I did is I took my little fireball minion square here, fireball tool, and I basically clamped it on as a backing because this thing is 100 years old, and yeah. So every time I go down here, actually it's got a foot activated pedal. Every time I go down like that, it'll be in the exact same spot, the board, so I can just move it over and drill, and move it over and drill, and then move it over and drill. Oh, wait, let me do this again here. What I did was, wait, stop this. Hello, folks. So yeah, this is my plan here. I'm gonna, what do you call it, put these little dies in here, hold them, but I think I might have, I gotta drill the hole a little small, deeper, because it's a little wobbly. I want them to go further. I want them like that deep instead of that. So yeah, but anyway, it's good enough for me. Yeah, I don't want them to fall out. But anyway, my point is I'm gonna put all these in here. There's 4, 8, 12, I don't know. Anyway, you get the point. I'm gonna mark them all down and put them in the holes. And I have like, I don't know, 40 dies in here, maybe. Nice place to hold them. Plus, maybe I could put other little drill bits and stuff in here. So it works out pretty good. Look at it, it's just not perfect. It's yeah, it's probably crooked in some spots, but hey, it is what it is, right? I didn't pay for it. Scrap piece of oak. That's all that matters. So yeah, put all my little what do you call it? Rivet hammering dies all in one little thing. I'm gonna mark the, what do you call it, the size next to it, so I know it's what size it is. Because once I take these out of the bag, I'm like gonna be like, I don't know what size it is. Let me measure it. So yeah, there it is. Sounds good. Adios. Hello, YouTube. It's me again. Yeah. Just thought I'd see if this all fits in there. These aren't marked, so see, put all the little guys on the little dies. Made a holder for them. See, this is one set I picked up. And they're just all the flat dies. Ta-da! They go in there like little buttons. So, I know these are flush squeeze set. These are, I don't even really know if I need the sizes, but this is a round, hey, that's a little round-headed one. I'll take these out of here. There's another set right here that I got. There's the flat set, and these are rounded sets. So, oh wait, there's a flat set also. So this is a flat ski, flat. This is the same size. 2 sets. There you go. See, the flat one. Oh, that one goes over here, I think. Yeah, that one. Then there's the round ones. That's a flat one. There's a flat one. There's this one. I think it's this, and this. So yeah, if you look at the rivet squeezer dies, see, there's different sizes and shapes, because these are the different size of rivet heads. These are the flat parts. So I made a little rivet thingy in case I get some more dies, whatever, makes my own. Anyway, if you like my channel, like and subscribe. You're going to see me use this gadget in another upcoming video. I'm rivet squeezing some chairs together. So anyway, like, subscribe, and keep on trucking, folks.